how to search someone on Instagram by their image. If you want to search someone by their image, if you have any one picture of them and use it to search their Instagram, then what you can do is first of all open any browser which is in your phone. For now, I'm using Safari. Then search for Google Image and hit the link which is images.google.com. Now what you need to do is click on the camera icon which is on the right side of the search bar and get this from your App Store or Google Play Store. This Google More Ways to Search helps you to find Instagram account by using someone images. You can simply use this Google application. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.